year, and the fruit is imported from other country. But it seems to be available on the market for multiple seasons per year. Should I say Shehecheyanu blessing?
That's a very good question. So today, I mean, that's somebody asked me about Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, right? To buy it somewhere. It's in a different language, and I said that and I asked, right? Wait, does it have commentary? Said no commentary, but it's text. Is it not good? So I said no, it's not good. Like as a basic text, it is good, but in sometimes, not many times, but sometimes the halacha is not like Kitzur said, because the circumstances change, or like we live in different social environment. So one of the things is about the fruits. So he said if it's seasonal fruits, right? You like it's available now, so you would need to say Shehecheyanu. But our sages, more recent sages, said that maybe it's available in like you can afford it, right? But if you go to the different stores, and they would have this fruits, even like some exotic store, like maybe in the capital of your country, like for rich people, and they would have all of the fruits all year round. So technically, you would be like you could have bought it yourself from these like fancy schmancy stores. So it's in this case, it's not seasonable fruits. You understand? So, but there are like. So this tropical, like if it sells in your like where you live all year long, even you don't buy it, but it sells in different store, so you would not be allowed to say Shehecheyanu, right? For example, today coming from the shul, I bought blueberry. So blueberry in the middle of the winter, so it's like nice and fresh. It's unbelievable, and the price is almost like summer price. I mean, I don't know where they import it from, but I don't know, like from another country where there is a summer. So I mean, it's summer price exactly. Like I don't know, maybe 20% more, maybe tops 20% more that we would pay in the summer. Okay, so I bought one pack. Baruch Hashem, yeah, you understand? So, but one, for example, in my case, I know one fruit for sure you can say Shehecheyanu, because it is available, and you can always think about your environment. In like where I live, it's available only in some stores and only 3 weeks a year. That's it. So it's you know what? It's a sour cherry. So sweet cherry all year round, right? Maybe like not in stores near me, because they're on like cheaper stores. But you go to more expensive stores, for sure that they have this cherry, like maybe it's going to be a lot of money, but they have all year around. But sour cherry only like 3 weeks a year. That's it. So on this, I would say Shehecheyanu for sure. In a sense, so you have to know that maybe because it's not so popular, people like sweets and this is sour. But I don't know, but I like it. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.